How to change password for Yahoo Mail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Yahoo Mail application on your phone. You are now in the Yahoo Mail inbox page, where you can view all your email. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, go to Manage Accounts. Then, tap on Account as shown. On this page, go to Security and then enter your phone passcode to proceed. Over here, scroll down and tap on Change Password. You can now create a new Yahoo Mail password from here. After that, tap on Continue. This way, you can enhance your privacy. Following these steps, you can easily change password for Yahoo Mail on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.